So let me tell you what those are. A sequence A sub n is called increasing if, yes.
What's the name of this topic?
It's still sequences that we're talking about, but I'm talking about increasing and decreasing sequences, yeah. What would you think that it would mean for a sequence to be increasing? You're looking, a sequence is a list of numbers, right? What would you naturally want to think increasing meant? The list should get bigger, right? The list should be increasing. So formally what that means is that if A sub n is less than A sub n plus 1 for all n greater than or equal to 1. So the next term in my sequence needs to be bigger than the term before it, right? Another way to think of this is you're saying A1 has to be smaller than A2, smaller than A3, and so forth. Increasing. Okay. So then you can probably guess, what would decreasing mean? Yeah, if the list is decreasing, right? The numbers get smaller. So a sequence A sub n is called decreasing if A sub n is bigger than A sub n plus 1. Your terms are getting smaller. Okay. And the last term I want to use is something called monotonic. A sequence is monotonic if, well, that word makes me think of monotone, right? The same, right? If someone talks in a monotone voice, it's all one level, right? So what that means is that it either needs to be increasing or decreasing the whole time. It follows one pattern. So if it is either increasing or decreasing. It's following one pattern. Either it's increasing the whole time or it's decreasing the whole time. There's no change. Okay.